So I made it to the store. I'm looking at getting the anti-seize. Personally, I really like the copper stuff. I think we only have the gray one. Something is better than nothing. So I'm gonna peek a little bit more, see if there's anything else, but that might be all that we have today, which still a good thing, still a good thing. Dude, this is why I love coming to Menards and checking out their shit. Look at this. This is a 3-piece tray set. I know in Harbor Freight, it's like, what, like 15, 13-ish dollars a pop? Yeah. That's a no-brainer deal. I mean, seriously, I have one of these. Love it to death. Okay, thank you, you too. There she is in all of its waiting glory. So I asked my neighbor, he's a really chill dude. Thanks, Jeremy. Give this a shot. I know the bolt is actually seized in the bushings. I already ordered some new bolts to come in. If it doesn't come off tonight, it's not really a big deal. I just want them out. So we're gonna try using that heat gun a little bit. I don't have a torch. Needless to say though, it's gonna come out one way or another tonight. So once I get the steering rack out of this thing, I have it here. Here is all my goodies. I got all the uppers, the lowers, tie rods, sweep bar links. I'm pretty stoked. So let's see if that heat can help that bolt release from the bushing. You don't know until you try. Let's get to cracking. There we go. We should be ready to go to crack out this suspension work. I've always been an air impact guy, and quite honestly, I never thought about buying one of these. Because, you know, it's like the shop had air. I ran into an issue where I need one for home and for on the go. Dude, I'm not kidding. This thing is like 80% of what my air impact is capable of. You got no air hose. That's awesome. So let's start heating up the bolts, seeing if they spin free. And again, if not, I'm just gonna cut them off. Not really a big deal. Let's see. So right now I'm holding down the gun. It should be warming up. So first time I've used this, to be honest. Can't be stuck if it's liquid. No luck so far. I'm not too surprised. Give it a few more shots. If not, we'll cut them out. Forget about it. Let's see if that even budged a second. No, it looks like it. That's actually the ear of the subframe being pushed back a little bit. I tried so hard the other day. I don't think we're gonna be so lucky. We're gonna cut them off. Forget about it. I got bolts coming either way. That's fine. Let's cut them off, and then I'll do the steering rack afterwards. I gotta break this off so I can actually even get access to the fucking bolts. There we go. Should be able to get at least most of the angle grinder in there. Cut the bolts. You know how we roll, we Frankenstein this shit together, man. Let's keep going. Okay, I think I'm just like halfway from the center. Okay guys, so here's the situation. I tried that inductor, it didn't work out too good. I can see it being really nice for maybe more of like nuts being on like a bolt or whatever. Or maybe I just had to hold it on for a lot longer so all the heat would go, but that would take forever. And considering how stuck they were, I think they were not gonna come out that way. So we're just gonna go to the store, get a Sawzall. That way we can just cut it out, forget about it. And new tool time. All right, let's get going. The one I was looking at is the plug-in version, because if we get the battery version, I might be fighting with batteries all day long. I don't want to do that. But this one right here, I mean, look at that. $130 versus 300. Yeah, I think the option's pretty obvious at that point, guys. So let's grab it. I think this is the one. Yep, that's all it is. So let's go to the checkout, get our little thing going, and be a lot better this time. Hold it. So they got a little deal going on. If I get one of these, I did the math, it's about 15 bucks off, so why not? Made it work. All right, y'all, so we saved some money today. That's always a good thing. And then Bolt's gonna be sorry they fucked with me. So let's get it. All right, here we go. Let's get back. And we are gonna dominate. We got the tools that we needed. The angle grinder just wasn't out cutting it. The inductor wasn't cutting it. Sawzall. Boom! Whop. I'm gonna try out some of these torch bits. Blades, I mean. Apparently I was talking to somebody I know, and these do a really good job at cutting through the thick stuff. I'll find out, right? I've used the medium metal ones, and they kind of burn up quick. Much better. Holy shit, this thing already cut halfway. Look at that. It's still got a really good profile on that blade. We'll keep going, bro. We'll see. We'll find out. Okay, needless to say, I am fucking impressed. It cut off the one half. Pop that out, maybe. Hold on, guys. Let's try to figure this out. The one half out, but I think that shim is still on the other side. If I can't just pop that off like a screwdriver right through the back and pop it off, this thing's gonna fly right out. Yeah, holy shit. Okay, so don't know how well that shows up on the camera. Still got all of its teeth. I mean, that it just sliced through that bolt like it was butter. I'm pretty impressed. Go see if Facebook Marketplace guy is showing up here soon or not. So give me 1 second. What if I just... Oh my god. It's because I fucking mushroomed the end. So I'm gonna have to cut off the end and then pull that thing off. Okay, so it fell out, but it didn't cut all the way. Look at that. My god. I have never had something cut that fast. This is fucking awesome. I should have bought one of these forever ago. Look, it's still okay. I'm super impressed. Alright, well, it turns out the shim actually fell off, so that's a win. Boom! Got that motherfucker out. I've been battling that bitch for so long. Other side gonna take like that fast. See you in a second. And just like that, they are both out of the car officially. I'm done. Now I can go ahead and put the thing back together.